Open the camera by unlocking the two side locks. Open the battery cover with your fingernail or by pulling down on the drawstring. Put the 4 or 8 AA alkaline batteries that came with the camera into the slot. 32 GB micro SD card is factory installed into the memory card slot. Open the one to enter test mode. Format the micro SD card. Reset the camera. Switch to 20 megapixel photo pixels. Switch to 1520p video pixels. Switch to record video mode. Adjust the recording duration. Adjust the shot lag. Adjust the sensitivity of the motion sensor. Turn off target recording time. Turn off time-lapse photography. Set the system time. Turn the power switch to on mode. Move to the front of a 1 after the blue light goes out. The position of the blue light is as the picture shows. The A1 will record a 20-second video when it detects your movement. Turn the on mode back to test. Click the replay button to view the video you just recorded. Click the OK button to play. Click OK to pause while playing the video. And click menu to stop.